Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and bring you all a review and touch base as best I can and just basically elaborate as much as I can on Radiant Tattoo ink. As you can see right here, I have an assortment with a variety of different colors. This one is Radiant White, and this is going to be an in-depth review. I'm going to go ahead and show you all some of the bottles, the colors up close and personal, and then I'm going to go ahead and use some of these colors on this practice skin that we have going back here. So if you have any questions along the way, or if I don't touch base on something that you specifically may want to know, please go ahead and drop that in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and do my best to guide you in the best possible direction. So as you can see right here, I have it in this microphone bag here. I took the microphone bag that I never used and I decided to use it for this assortment of ink. And sure enough, it ended up fitting perfectly. I can actually just close it up and carry this bag with me on the go. And this is, as you can see, it's from Shure, which is a microphone company, but I use this bag for my inks. And right off the bat, when you open it, as you can see, there's a variety of colors and they're super vibrant. I'm trying to put them on camera as best I can here. And there is an assortment here. We have light orange, we have royal blue, and again, these colors are super vibrant. I am going to go ahead and demonstrate them as well so you all can see them in action. Navy blue, what else we have going here? Deep green. Let's see here, what's this one? This is one of my favorite, lime greens. We have white, purple. Let's see here, bear with me. We have magenta. We have yellows. We have canary yellow is what it says there. Then we have a lemon yellow. As you can see, this one's separated. You can go ahead and just shake it up. That's the lemon yellow. Of course, we'll go ahead and shake them longer prior to using, but right now I just want to go ahead and show you all the colors. This one's bubblegum pink. Let's go ahead and shake it up so you guys can get an accurate reading of what that looks like. This is a bubblegum pink, very nice. I like that color. This one right here is chocolate. We have, let's see, teal, but that one's separated. Let's go ahead and shake it up. Teal, which is a very nice color. That one needs more shaking, but you can get an idea of what the teal looks like. Blood red, this one I use a lot. And I also use the scarlet red as well a lot. And then they have medium green. And then we have like tiger orange. This one needs to be shaken a little bit. All of them actually need to be shaken. But I just wanted to go ahead and kind of show you all these colors up close and personal and let you all see how vibrant these colors truly are. This purple right here, I'm not sure if I showed you all that. Can't even see the name because it needs to be shaken. Lavender, it's a very nice purple. These colors here are very nice though. I will go ahead and drop the link in the description below so that way you guys could check out these inks, and if you like them throughout this review, pick up this exact set on your end. It really depends how you would benefit from these. Let's say if you're in a shop and you do tattoos specifically out of that shop, then you may want to get a bigger version of the colors that you like. However, let's say you're always on the go, or even if you just like to have different assortments because you use a lot of color, I think that this would be a great set for you. Even just having this set in general wouldn't be a bad thing because there's a variety of different colors and it's Radiant Ink, which is a quality tattoo ink brand. Me personally, I love this specific assortment here. I love this specific packaging. I think this one's cool. This one's on the go. This one's mobile. You can get quite a few tattoos out of one of these little bottles here. I think that this one would be good for any user and every tattooist. This assortment is great. I mean, there's a variety of different colors. You get small bottles, which makes them great for on-the-go tattooing if you do like in-house calls, if you're that type of tattooist. To each their own, you know. Radiant Ink also has different varieties and different sizes in the bottles as well, but I kind of wanted something to test out the different waters to see what brands were good and what brands had to offer. So I chose this specific assortment because of the colors as well. Radiant Ink was a reputable tattoo ink brand, so I went with them for that reason. And the colors as well from this specific assortment fit my needs and what I wanted to do. I wanted to go ahead and bring you an up close and personal look at these specific tattoo inks right here. As you all can see, they're very vibrant colors. They're very nice colors. I personally love these specific colors. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all them in action, and then you can go ahead and kind of pass judgment on your end. If you like this assortment, I highly recommend it. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and try and bring you all another up close and personal look at what these tattoo inks look like. I want to try and give you all accurate readings of, you know, the colors themselves. Let's go ahead and pour them in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you all what they look like poured up into the ink cups. Here is a quick tip. If you're gonna have your ink sitting for a little bit prior to the tattoo, I have just some witch hazel. You can take witch hazel and you can pour a drop or two into each cup to go ahead and help keep them from drying up. So it's very simple. Just take some witch hazel, pour a drop or two on each cap, and you'll be good to go. It'll preserve the life of them, so that way they can go ahead and sit out a little bit longer. Okay, so now that you all are getting up close looks here at the colors themselves, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go back to the stand and we're gonna go ahead and start using these on the practice skin. So let's just go ahead and dive into that. Okay, so we're over here back at the practice skins, and you can see these colors are very vibrant. Please note that the color vibrancy is going to vary from human skin and per human to human, but for this demonstration I wanted to go ahead and use this practice skin to get the point across. I was doing a rose and dagger tattoo, but upon doing that I found that skin really didn't accept ink well, nor did it accept shading well. So my point wouldn't have gotten relayed upon this video or upon watching this video. But as you all can see, the colors are very vibrant. Each and every color that you saw me pour out is demonstrated right here. Feel free to pause it at any time. I have nothing but good things to say about this specific radiant color set. But yeah, there you all have it. This is on a silicone felt skin. Here is an up close and personal look. Let's go ahead and show you all the ink caps after the session right here. I want to go ahead and point out I did use a Quelle 9-round mag. And every time I used a new color, the ink also cleaned up well. I had two specific cups. I had 1 cup of alcohol, one with witch hazel. I would go ahead and use the alcohol to clean the needle and get rid of the ink, and then I would go ahead and use the witch hazel to make sure that it was rinsed properly to dip into the next ink, so that way I wouldn't go ahead and start mixing inks. As you all can see, this is after the session, and I didn't get too much contamination from ink to ink, and I dipped it in the exact order that they're poured in, from left to right, top to bottom, as you can see. But there you all have it. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them in the comments down below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. If you're not, be sure to give me a follow on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and TikTok, as I would genuinely appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for more videos like this. Yet again, I do appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in. Y'all have a great day.